Okay, now the fourth part of your video, and this is the last part. Only the last paragraph is remaining. We had read that Abdul Kalam was distributing the papers and he was enjoying that life, and his whole routine we have discussed in the previous video. Now this routine continued for about a year. 1 year he continued this routine. In that 1 year of running around with the papers, I grew taller and browner. Means after 1 year he was telling that by doing that work continuously, and that after 1 year I became taller, his height was increased and his skin color was dark. I also learned that I could now judge quite accurately that distance I could cover at a sprint with a bundle of papers in my hand, and hence could time my arrival at various localities at the same time every day. Now he was very keen, and he understood that at which time he was going and giving the bundles to giving the newspapers to the people, and now it is very easy for him to do this work that is spoken here. I could calculate in my head the amount owed on to Samsuddin by each of his subscribers, and I could reel off the names of those who had not paid up that day. Means he don't need any diary for calculations and keeping the record of people who is giving the money. Everything he is keeping in his mind only. Mostly I learned that to be a working man meant you had to be up the and ready to face the day, whatever else may happen to you, whatever is happening to you. If you are doing any job, you have to give your best in the job. Homework, tuition, prayers, all carried on, but the Madras Dhanush Kodi mail would not wait for me. See, he has to do his work on time. Okay, he has to do his job on time. He has to reach the railway station on time. Whatever he is having problems or anything, but he has to do his job very punctually. I had to be present at the station at the correct time and at the correct point to catch the bundles as they came flying in, and he has to took the bundles at the correct time thrown by the person who is inside the train. It was my first brush with taking up a responsibility and seeing to it that I kept my words to my cousin no matter what. I have managed everything, and whatever I told to my cousin Samsuddin that I will do this job very honestly, and I have done that. Means Abdul Kalam has done his job with full enthusiasm. It was all a most enjoyable time, and I loved every moment of it. He enjoyed this work. He did not get tired of this work. He enjoyed his work. Not with standing the intense tiredness every night. He was tired. Yes, of course he was tired, but he was, on the other hand, he was enjoying too much. My mother often fretted at my taking up this additional work and the toll it was taking on me, but I shook my head and smiled at her. Fretted means होता है be constantly or visibly anxious. My mother see my anxiousness, my tiredness, my hard work, everything, and I did not show my tiredness to her, and I just smiled on to her, knowing that my earnings were something helping us all, and that she was secretly proud of me for having taken on the role of working man at the age of 8. She was very happy from inside that my son is earning money and helping financially my family at the age of 8 years. An 8-year boy is earning money for his family. Can you imagine? Right. Kept me going with a smile on my face, and this proud of my mother makes me happy every day and every moment. This was the end of the chapter. What you understand by this chapter? If you are doing hard work and giving your best, then you will definitely get success in your life. Now I will explain you the question answers. There are 5 questions and answers. See children, you have to write the answers from this and in your classwork copy after the word meanings. See, your answers are long. आपके answers थोड़े बड़े हैं, लेकिन you can write this answers in your own language. आपने chapter समझा है, अच्छे से पढ़ा है, आपको story पूरी आती है, and you have to write, you have to make your own sentences and you can write answers in your own words also. आपको सिर्फ ये answers copy में लिखना है. Exam time पे आपको ये chapter याद है तो आप अपने मन से भी answers को लिख सकते हैं. That you have to do, आपको करना ही है. You have to start writing answers in your own words. Don't just cram the answers and write it in your answer sheet in the exam. आपने रट लिया, याद कर लिया और उसको जाके एग्जाम में लिख दिया. दैट इज़ नॉट गुड. यू हैव टू this year you have to learn how to write the answers. Okay, your teacher will help you, not an issue, but you have to try this. Okay, so question number 1 is, what does the sentence "the wealth of information now available at the click of a finger amaze me" इस सेंटेंस का मीनिंग बताना है. ओके, द सेंटेंस मीन दैट डॉक्टर कलाम is astonished at the abundance of information that is available just by clicking a few buttons on the computer. He is very shocked, very amazed. He is very happy to see that by clicking a simple button on computer we will get the news of whole world. Technology has advanced to such an extent that all information is close hand. और टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी ज़्यादा एडवांस हो गई है कि सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें एक क्लिक से मिल जाती है. दिस सेंटेंस मीनिंग दिस. ओके, now question number 2, who influenced Dr. Kalam in his early life and why did he Dr. Kalam respect him so much? किसने उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस किया था और किसने उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया था? तो उनके कज़िन शमसुद्दीन ने. डॉक्टर कलाम्स कज़िन शमसुद्दीन इन्फ्लुएंस्ड हिम अ लॉट इन हिज early life. Dr. Kalam respected him because Shamsuddin showed a lot of affection for him and encouraged him in many ways. उन्हें शमसुद्दीन क्यों पसंद थे? क्योंकि वो उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करते थे, उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करते थे और उन्हें हमेशा एनकरेज करते थे नई चीज़ों को करने के लिए. दो शमसुद्दीन वॉज नॉट वेल ट्रेवल्ड और हाईली एजुकेटेड, शमसुद्दीन ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे नहीं थे, बट ही गाइडेड अब्दुल कलाम एंड अंडरस्टूड हिज डीपेस्ट थाट्स एंड फीलिंग्स. वो उनकी फीलिंग्स को समझते थे, उनको गाइड करते थे. बिफोर इट वॉज अटर्ड, वो बोलते नहीं थे, उसके पहले वो उनकी बात समझ लेते थे. ही वॉज अ पर्सन हु कुड रीच आउट बियॉन्ड द नैरो कॉन्फाइंस ऑफ डेली लाइव्स एंड सी द लार्ज वर्ल्ड. ओके, now third question is, how did World War II affect the newspaper delivery business in रामेश्वरम? न्यूज़पेपर बिजनेस डिलीवरी वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकेंड के कारण कैसे अफेक्ट हुआ था रामेश्वरम में? विथ वर्ल्ड वॉर द रेल स्टॉप एट रामेश्वरम वॉज डन अवे विथ. रेल वहाँ पे रुकना, ट्रेन वहाँ पे रुकना बंद हो गई थी. एज द टाउन पीपल who read the newspaper would be affected, Shamsuddin came up with the idea of making large newspaper bundles. As the train passed through the Rameshwaram station, Shamsuddin's person would fling out the large bundles on the platform and would catch the bundles. Someone would catch the bundles and take them around town for distribution. उन्होंने एक आइडिया दिया कि हमारे कोई भी पर्सन ट्रेन में रहेंगे और वो ट्रेन में से सारे बंडल्स बाहर थ्रो करेंगे और उसके बाद कोई उस बंडल्स को लेकर सारे टाउन में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, व्हाट वाज अब्दुल कलाम्स रूटीन व्हेन ही हेल्प्ड हिज कजिन टू डिलीवर न्यूज़पेपर ड्यूरिंग वर्ल्ड वॉर? इसमें इस क्वेश्चन में आपको डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम का मॉर्निंग से लेकर नाइट तक जो रूटीन था वो बताना है. दिस आंसर यू कैन राइट इन यूर ओन लैंग्वेज. आपको पूरा पता है कि फिर सुबह कितनी बजे उठते थे, फिर ट्यूशन जाते थे, आफ्टर दैट वो क्या करते थे, अरेबिक क्लास में जाते थे, उसके बाद फिर वो न्यूज़पेपर के लिए रेलवे स्टेशन जाते थे, न्यूज़पेपर लेके डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते थे. आफ्टर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन घर जाके ब्रेकफास्ट करते थे, ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद वो स्कूल जाते थे, स्कूल से आने के बाद शाम को वो वापस पैसे कलेक्ट करने जाते थे. उसके बाद वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठ के न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते थे, घर जाके डिनर करते थे और और फिर होमवर्क करते थे और 9 बजे सो जाते थे। ये आपका पूरा रूटीन, मैंने इनका रूटीन आपको बताया, इसे ही हमें आंसर में लिखना है। सो यू कैन राइट दिस इन योर ओन वर्ड्स। बेटा आपको ऐसा नहीं सोचना है कि मैम बहुत बड़े बड़े आंसर्स लिखवाएं, दे आर नॉट लार्ज। नाउ यू आर इन 7th क्लास, यू हैव टू राइट दिस मच आंसर्स, ओके। Samsuddin offered an 8-year-old Abdul Kalam the job of catching the bundles of papers which was flung out of the passing train on the platform. Abdul Kalam had to accommodate this work with his normal routine of studies and school. At dawn, after bath, he had to go for his mathematics tuition. There he studied for an hour. Then his father took him to the Arabic school to learn the Quran Sharif. After his lessons, Kalam then went to station, took the bundles of newspaper and deliver in the town. Then he goes to school. In the evening, he collect dues from subscribers and then read newspapers with his cousin and friend Jalaluddin. After that, he do his homework and take dinner and sleep at 9 p.m. This was the routine of Abdul Kalam when he was 8 years old. Now question number 5. Though Abdul Kalam worked hard from the age of 8 to support his family financially and also pursue his studies, his rigorous routine did not make him an unhappy child. State 5 sentences from the text to support the above statement. इतनी ज़्यादा हेक्टिक लाइफ होने के बाद भी अब्दुल कलाम कभी भी अनहैप्पी नहीं होते थे अपने इस रूटीन से। वो एंथुसियास्टिकली बहुत एनर्जी के साथ ये काम करते थे। तो ये एनर्जी शो करने के लिए कौन कौन से 5 सेंटेंस है वो आपको इस चैप्टर में से लिखना है। सो ऑल दिस 5 सेंटेंस आर रिटन हियर। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। So up to question answers, you complete your copy and try to understand the chapter by the videos. Thank you.